Energy is not just energy. Wind turbines, solar power and transmission lines are not just energy. They are the engines of modern society. The very things that enable us to prosper, move forward. The world of energy is changing. Over the next 35 years, demand will increase by 60%. Furthermore, society expects energy to be greener, more reliable and more affordable. DNV GL can help. Finding ways to solve the very complex energy trilemma is the core of our business. Take this offshore wind farm. How do we ensure that the design of these turbines can withstand storms at sea? Or that a transformer in the electricity grid will not fail and cause a blackout? Or how do we ensure the solar panels we invest in will still provide enough electricity in 10 years? To answer these questions requires a broad set of competencies, in-depth technical and operational knowledge about wind and solar energy, electricity transmission and distribution, and the way energy is used. Knowledge we share through our advisory services, guidelines, standards, and recommended practices. We just look at the facts. This is how we help companies make the right decisions. Over the 90 years we have been in the energy business, the perception of energy has changed. It is no longer an abundant resource we can simply use without thinking about tomorrow. That is why our vision is to have global impact for a safe and sustainable future. But in order to realize that, we need to see how things are connected. From supporting the engineering phase of a single component to managing an entire energy project, from contract support to guarantee testing. From policy and strategic advice for grid infrastructure to certifying the individual components of the power grid at Arkema laboratories. And from developing, implementing and tracking energy efficiency programs to complete planning and realization of future-proof energy systems. That is what we do at DNV GL. We take a broader view by knowing the energy sector and how to solve tomorrow's challenges. Every year, we devote 5% of our revenue to research and innovation, exploring new ideas and concepts to support the energy industry. Ideas like how bulk power can be transmitted over long distances in a safe and secure way. Or how a growing share of renewables and emerging technologies like storage can be integrated into the electricity grid, and how smart grids can turn energy consumers into energy producers. With around 2,500 dedicated, impartial energy experts, we know the challenges complex energy issues present and how best to solve them. And together we can help ensure companies, industries and societies become safer, smarter and greener. DNV GL. Safer, smarter, greener.